Yeah. Baltimore City, the niggas that killed me are be in pictures with me. You see how the shit went with Big and Diddy. When they be out to get you, it's kinda hard moving without a pistol. My autobiography is that of a Malcolm Little. The calm before the storm. Women gravitate to the ambiance. Still they wanna clap me like the Autobahn. By any means necessary, the tech is heavy. Got me standing next to the Drakes with the weapon ready. I'm Salvador Dali and Sycamore Wiley's in a trap with a liquor store by me. If it's ever a robbery before I'm a walking liquor to be a body, you probably think I'm being cocky, but you can try me, fuck a phony photo. Realize it's only promo. I go for Dolo, niggas turn to Tony Manolo. My life is a movie by Scorsese. It's up to me to make sure that the score's crazy. It's all safe.
Niggas act trite. Try to bag me like Cagney and Lacey. Niggas act trite. Can it be a out of state nigga try to murder me? Niggas act trite. Try to bag me like Cagney and Lacey. Niggas act trite. God forbid I lay in the casket.
Yo, part Rambo, part Vandal, Paulie Castellano. Slipping to get you turned to a body in the bando. Slicker than Mitch in the whip with pistols in the panel. So if it ain't in your vision, it's hitting in the camos. Click like the Sopranos, get situations handled in the street. Beat or press you like keys on the piano. Started as a starving artist, now I'm a walking target. Flyer than Jesus in a walking closet. Through the knowledge, wisdom, and understand. Half fitted cat with the butters tan. Half blood money in a rubber band. Check the repertoire, sharp as the Sugar Hill Romello part. Waiting for ill to split the L apart. Could tell the bars resemble that early Escobar. Before they get me, I'm ready, set it off. So now it's on, never wasted a slug. Time is money when it comes to mine, take it in blood.
Niggas act trite. Try to bag me